Hello everyone, I thought I'd take a look at this video here. This shows a Russian BMP being destroyed with a Javelin. It's an interesting video as it shows a bit of Ukraine's tactics. So the BMP is heading through a fairly active area, it's heading west. You can see some troops among the trees, so this is a very active area. The BMP is targeted first by what's suspected to be a Stugner P. The Stugner misses, perhaps losing its lock or failing halfway there. It hits the floor and then bounces. Then, after the BMP halts, very quickly, there's a follow-up shot from St. Javelin that hits the target. It's pretty cool. We've seen Stugners operating in conjunction with Javelin before, so this isn't new, but it's nice to see further confirmation of the tactic. Two screenshots. First, here, we can see the Stugner direction. It comes from the northwest. Then, the Javelin comes from the tree line to the north. So Ukraine has this road zeroed in from multiple angles. I do wonder if perhaps there was some sort of third option as well, in case the Javelin also failed. I expect there would be, maybe a DM22 somewhere. Here it is seen on the map. So as mentioned, Ukraine had this road heading west pretty much zeroed in from at least two launch points. One operating a Stugner unit, one operating a Javelin. If we zoom out and switch to the map view, we can see the road leads to a town called Vesela and then Krasnohorivka. Let's check what Deep States has to say about this area and see what we can discover. So you can see that both towns it was heading towards are Ukrainian controlled, which makes this baffling. Why send a solitary BMP? What good is it going to do? It's not going to capture the town on its own. All it's going to do is eat a missile when it gets in range. Quite baffling. I honestly don't understand the tactics. I mean, I guess it was a probe with the defences of some sort, but why? It served no purpose other than to throw away a perfectly good, or at least somewhat decent, BMP. To discover, surprise surprise, the town is defended and Ukraine has missiles there. I guess the troops who were carrying were being carried to perform some sort of mischief, but heading straight along the road like this to reach the point to drop off the troops, it's asking for trouble. The BMP's easily spotted. It's obvious that Ukraine would have the road covered since it's leading into a town which they control. So zoomed out we can see that this is on the eastern front, so it's an area of pretty high activity at the moment. So not too much else to discuss here. It was nice to see a Javelin hit and also interesting to see it working in conjunction with the Stugner again. If you found the video interesting, please click like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Thanks again and take care everyone.